for some great exercise shorts. My name's Hannah with WTI, and I needed some new running shorts. BRXL had these really nice biker shorts, and they are 4.5 inches long, so a little bit longer than some of the other short shorts, which personally I love for running because not many of us have that nice thigh gap. I also love that this has two pockets, so if you have some cards or keys that you need to take with you, you can easily slide those in. Keep in mind these pockets are not big enough for your phone. Another thing I love about these is the high waist and tummy control. I will always have a little mom pooch, and it is nice to cover that up. I am not super confident in my body, but this really does slim that area down. These are lightweight shorts, but they are not see-through, so you don't have to worry if you're doing Pilates and you're bending over, no one's going to see through these. They have some really nice sports bras that match this. I am thrilled with these. They are so nice to go running in, but that is just my point of view.